Welcome to Business Central, lockdown posting periods globally and by user. So it's often very handy to have financial control over the posting periods and controlling which periods users can post into. And what we've got is we've got a couple of options to do this. We can do this globally and by user. So I've got some general journal lines here, but this could be a sales order, it could be a purchase order, whichever form you're using to post into or page you're using to post into. And we've got some lines here. And if we just go to post and preview posting, we've got a notification just saying that the posting date is after the working date. That's fine. We're just going to do some test posting in February. Click on yes, so we can get the posting preview as normal. But if we go to global search up at the top, and then we do a search for GenLedge to get to general ledger setup, if we allow posting from, let's say, the 1st of the 1st, 2001 to the 31st of January 23, then when we preview post now, posting date is not within your range of allowed posting dates in general journal line templates, and that's because it's been set up as a restriction in the general ledger setup. So that's one way that we can do it. So I'll just use Alt Q to open up the global search again, and I'm going to turn that back off again. So just clear those fields out. And that controls it for all users across the company. Click on Preview Posting, and we're able to post again. The second way is via user setup. So in your global search, do a search for user setup. And let's say we want to put some restrictions here for the user Mark, and we'll do the same period. So from the 1st of Jan 2001 to the 31st of Jan 23. Okay, and if we try and post within here now, then we get the same restriction. Okay, it's the same message, so you just need to be mindful that you need to check in two places, the user setup and the general ledger setup. But that's a highly effective way to be able to control across your list of users which users can post within which periods, which effectively enables you to lock down certain periods once you've completed all of your management accounts and all of your financial controls. And perhaps if you need to make changes in a certain period, going back in time, for example, only certain users you may open that facility up for. So you go back to your user setup, and if we needed to say that actually a particular user can open a certain period and post in that period, then you can just change the dates within there for that user, and it will take effect for them immediately. Similarly, if we take these restrictions back out again, we'll be able to see that we can post successfully within that period again. So a great way to maintain financial control nice and easy within Business Central by doing either global posting period control through the general ledger setup or through the user setup screen on a per user basis.